Hello, welcome back to another episode of M's Gaming Photoshop tutorials. So, in this video, I'm about to show you how to make text look perspective in your images. So, you need to just pick your image you want to use for your retouching, and I'm gonna choose this building for my retouching. So, I'll drag it to my Photoshop and paste it here. And I'll just type my text as in typography in Photoshop. Okay, so let me make my text yellow in color, yellow, and I'll make this one. Let me change the color of this one. So let me make this one. Just want to show you it works, so the color doesn't mean much important. So I will just right click on this one and click on pixels. So from here you click Ctrl C to copy. You won't see the copy, but you have to press Ctrl C to copy. Then you turn off the typography, then Ctrl D to deselect. After that, you click on background and create a new layer. Come to filter, vanishing point. Then you start drawing your vanishing point you want. So let's start from here. Make sure your line after drawing you get a blue color. Red means you made a mistake and you need to redraw it. So let me here means I made a mistake. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yeah, I got it. You see, blue color means you got right. And now you just need to adjust, but click on Ctrl T so you can adjust it. Okay, I think it's even fit well. Okay. And click on OK here. So you double click on your layer and click on under layer. Click on Alt and left click once to divide it. Now you drag your thing here. So you adjust this one to see what's on the screen, how you want it to appear on the screen. So I think I love this one. And thanks for watching. See you in another video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you get more tutorials on Photoshop. Thank you. Bye bye.